Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we will guide you through the process of changing your email address in the Evernote app. If you are looking to update your account information or switch to a new email, this video will help you complete the process quickly and safely. First, open the Evernote app on your device. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top left. Then, from the menu that appears, select the Settings option. Scroll down through the settings options until you see more settings and tap on it. Then, find and click on Manage Email Address. Here, you will see the option to change your email. Click on Change Email and the app will ask you to enter your current password. After entering your password, type in the new email address you want to use and click on Change Email. Finally, Evernote will send a verification message to your new email address. Open your email inbox, find the message from Evernote, and click on Verify to confirm the change. Remember to check your inbox to complete the verification process. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.